teacher.
You
That's
didn't?
what I got.
Wow. What's
I
that?
made. It's
I-
kind of like a girl wearing a costume.
It's a what? So what? It's a what doing a what?
It's kind of like a girl wearing a costume, you know.
How's like a girl wearing a costume?
And you know what? I built this thing.
Is it?
Oh.
Was it difficult to make?
It was very easy. It have a much to do, you know.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And I kind of want to let some box and things, and so I kind of want to make some ice cream for him.
Oh, you made an ice cream too, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Nice. How long did that take you to build?
Just it kind of takes some time to build this, but I kind of fun with it. But also I gonna love this so much. I told my dad that today at night that he must be buy me some more of this. That means like he have to buy 4 of them for me so I can build things. I have 2 more at home, but I want 4 more because it's so fun.
Oh, well, which ones do you want? I saw some Naruto ones and I saw Squid Game ones. Which ones do you want?
Nah, you know what I thought? I mean, I want 4 of these, but more different, more
No.
different ones.
Different ones. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How long did you say? How long did it take you to build that?
2 hours.
2 hours. Wow, that's pretty long, huh? That's quite
No.
long. Ah, I see. So, and what you say your dad's gonna buy you more?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
And also, I'm kind of happy though.
Why is that?
Well, because he promised that he and I he gonna buy me 4 more. It's only cost $19.
Wow, expensive.
No, it's not expensive.
You know, for $19, you can buy so much food. Right? You can eat the whole week.
I mean, it's only cost like this.
Yeah, $19. Yeah, you can eat you can eat really nice food the whole day for $19. Yeah.
No, in our country,
I'm
my
English.
but my mom says it's not that much. It's kind of like, I don't know how to say.
I see. How many of those do you have? Only the one?
Only 3.
The 3? Where are the others?
Well, the others, I only have 3 of them, and I told my dad that I want 4 of them more.
So then you have 7.
Yes, and my mom. Well, because I just love doing things, This vlog is so satisfying when I just put together.
That is fun. It is fun putting things together, isn't it?
Yeah, very satisfying.
Yeah, that's right. So, what time did you wake up? Early?
No.
Oh, normal.
Yeah.
What did you do this morning?
No more things.
What's that? What?
Let me guess. Is it my dad was awake or my dad was not awake?
What are you talking about?
Well, I want you to guess that if my dad was awake or
When?
he's sleep.
When?
Today.
Let's say sleeping.
Yes. How do you know?
Just guess.
Well, good guess. But I was fixing this thing.
I see. What did you do when you woke up?
Do no more things?
What? I don't know what normal things are.
I wake up, I comb my hair, I wash my face, I brush my teeth, I watch some TV, I eat, watch some TV more, I play, I ready for arts play, and then I watch TV again, and I taught English.
Okay, I see. Oh, that's where the ice cream goes. That's
Yeah, ice cream,
Is that where the ice cream is supposed to go?
No, I just make the ice cream by myself. Well, the human, I look at the poster.
Okay. That's pretty cool. So tell me, what did we do in our last lesson? Yesterday.
Yes. In the last lesson, we did the human body.
The human body. We learned some new words. What words did we talk about?
Is bone.
Bones. Yeah. What do bones do?
Bone help us to move, to run and
Yeah,
walk.
they keep us strong and rigid.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, what else?
And muscle.
Muscles. Yeah, that's right. Muscles make us strong too.
Strong.
Okay, what else?
Ligament.
That's right. What does a ligament do?
Ligaments. It's kind of like a muscle. It's kind of like is a muscle. It's kind of like a ligament is kind of it's kind of like it stick to the muscle, and also stick to the bones. So the bones can attach to.
Ligaments keep bones together, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. Next word.
Support.
Support. What does that mean?
Support means you support our body and the body supports you.
Support is the same like to help.
Yeah.
To help, right?
Right.
Next one.
Is protect.
Protect. What does protect mean?
Protect means your bone protect your body. Your body protect your muscle.
Protect means like to keep something safe, right? So it doesn't get hurt. Okay, but next word we have bones, ligaments, muscle. What else?
Tendon. Tendon.
Tendons. So if ligaments keep bones together, what does a tendon do?
A tendon is when you attach your muscle and your bone.
What? Sorry?
A tendon is gonna like make your bones stick together.
Yeah, tendons keep your no, they don't keep your bones together. They keep what?
They keep your muscle.
They attach the muscle to the bones.
Attach the muscle to the bones.
That's right. So they keep the bones and the muscles together.
Obviously.
Okay, very good. Are you ready for the next lesson?
Yes, I am.
Righty, let's go. Blam.